Hello and welcome in this unique potassium calculator tool which you have subscribed just now. Believe me, this is one of the unique tool and in my knowledge first of its kind through which you can calculate the entire how much potassium you are consuming in your entire day through different and diverse food you are taking. You name a food, this calculator will guide you to understand how much potassium you are consuming through that food. Now, the biggest challenge what every patient faces in their day-to-day life is when they prepare a recipe, when they prepare a dish, they have a multiple ingredients in a different proportion. And it becomes very difficult to calculate how much potassium exactly they are accumulating. We made a solution in this tool. You name a recipe, whatever you are preparing in your in your kitchen, and what are the ingredients you are using to prepare that thing. Just name that ingredients, add the amount which is required to prepare that ingredients, and your recipe is ready, and you can calculate the entire amount of potassium you are consuming through that recipe. And by that you can save all your preserved recipes, and in one button click you can add or track how much potassium you are taking through that recipes. This tool will give you a complete idea regarding how much potassium would be ideal for your health, and what should be your ideal consumption limit, and how much you are consuming. All are represented in a graphical manner. You can track your blood potassium level. There are a chat box where you can chat with the professionals. Mr. Pratt or Dr. Pratt is there to answer your all the queries. We have a contact us section where you can directly contact regarding your clinical queries, regarding your nutrition related queries. And in the knowledge section, we have a lot of educative videos, a lot of contents, ebooks which are delivered for everybody who has subscribed for this tool. I welcome you all in this unique tool. Please explore the tool. There are so many things you can do with this tool, and please take the maximum benefit of this tool and be healthy and happy. Thank you very much.
Once you get into the calculator, you will see this screen. At the right side of your screen, you will see the bell icon, which is the notification bar. In this notification section, you can enter or submit any of your query, or you can also submit your blood report also. In the main menu, you can see these pictures. Each one of these pictures are sliding pictures. That means you can slide to it left or right, and each of these pictures are clickable. That means if you click any of these pictures, it will take you to our academy section or the course section corresponding. You can enroll or you can purchase any of the corresponding course you want to. In the below down, there is an option called summary of your daily potassium intake. That means if you entering your daily potassium intake, it will show that this is your daily potassium allowance, and it will show how much potassium you're taking on a daily basis. And on the right side, you will see a graph, it in a graph form, where you can see or you can maintain by yourself whether your daily potassium intake is within range or not. This is the food potassium intake summary, and just below this you will see your daily blood potassium report summary, where you can see your daily blood potassium reports as per according to your date. And here also you can see a graph whether you can manage it or you can see it for yourself that whether your blood potassium level is under control or not. You must not miss this section because this is very much important. Each and every time you do your blood test report, you have to mention it here so that we can keep a track on your blood potassium report, as well as you can also maintain it by seeing this graph. For the second option, which is no potassium content of common food or food items. In here, you can search or find any food item you want to know the potassium content. It will show that it is showing that potato contains 541 mg potassium in 100 gram, and it is showing in red color. That means it is high in potassium. So by this color coding, you can easily get to know that whether the food product contains low amount, moderate or high amount of potassium in it. You will get to know that how much potassium your daily allowance, which is set by your dietitian and which is changeable, adjustable according to your present clinical condition. If you want to be very sure about how much amount of food you are taking, you can get it here, where you can click to buy the toolkit that is useful to measure the exact amounts. In this option stated as add or edit recipe, you can add or edit any recipes. Now go for the next option, which is my daily dietary potassium intake tracker.
Now you can calculate your potassium intake according to your meal type, and by such a way you can track your potassium consumption on a daily basis with the help of this option stating my daily dietary potassium intake tracker.
In this option stated as view reports, here you can see your dietary potassium intake summary as well as your blood potassium summary. Next, you can see the summary of your blood potassium report. Here the reports are showing as per their date, and here there is a graph by which you can see or which you can know that how much your blood potassium level is under control or not. Next, you can see the summary of your dietary potassium intake as per your certain time period. Then comes to the next section, that is called the learning videos. Here you can get all the videos that have been uploaded for your daily lifestyle management, and by which you can manage your disease and state, and you can manage your lifestyle well and lead a healthy life. On the next option, that is called the knowledge corner, here you will get all the magazines and ebooks only published for you. You can download it here from also.